Hello everyone, and welcome to this explainer. I'm Najam Ahmed, founder of SEO International, a Google partner digital marketing and AI training consultancy based right here in Dubai Marina. I've been in this industry for over 25 years, and since starting the consultancy back in 2008, I've had the absolute privilege of helping businesses across the region navigate some massive technological shifts. But today we are talking about the biggest shift yet: artificial intelligence. Now don't worry, we aren't going to get bogged down in abstract theories or complex coding. Instead, I'm going to share a highly practical, hands-on masterclass on how you can actually leverage AI for your daily work, literally starting tomorrow morning. So, ever wondered how AI could actually make your life easier? Honestly, it's the single most common question I hear from overwhelmed, non-technical professionals. You read the news, you see all the hype, but then you sit down at your desk on a Monday morning, and you know what? You're still doing things the hard way. You might be a business owner trying to cut costs, a manager trying to boost your team's output, or a freelancer looking to scale. You know AI is out there, but connecting it to your actual daily tasks, that just feels like a massive leap.
And trust me, you are absolutely not alone in feeling that way. Over the last 25 plus years of consulting and training, I've worked with over 1,300 companies and trained more than 9,000 professionals across the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and the wider GCC. And what I consistently see with clients, from Dubai to Doha, Riyadh to Muscat, is a desperate need for practical AI applications, not textbook theory. Business leaders don't want to learn how to code a neural network, right? They want to know how to finish a 2-hour report in 15 minutes. They want real tools for real daily tasks.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap for today. Number 1, why AI matters right now. Number 2, demystifying artificial intelligence. 3, practical AI tools in action. 4, frameworks for getting started. 5, AI agents and the future. And finally, number 6, your 30-day action plan.
Moving right along to Module 1, Why AI Matters Right Now, and the 2026 Turning Point. We really have to set the stage here because the timeline is accelerating so much faster than many people realize. In my experience consulting across the region, 2026 is a critical turning point. Look, AI is no longer just some separate website you have to go visit. It's now embedded right into the tools you already use every single day. Whether you are in healthcare, education, marketing, or finance, 2026 marks the moment where AI literacy becomes completely mandatory for career longevity. If you aren't using these tools, you are for sure going to be competing against someone who is. It's all about working smarter, not harder.
Which brings us to Module 2, demystifying artificial intelligence. No tech speak, just plain English.
So the crucial point is, if we're going to use it, we actually need to understand it. That means stripping away all the intimidating algorithms and coding jargon that usually scares people off. Generative AI is simply technology that creates new content based on patterns it has learned. Think of it as a highly capable digital assistant. It's not magic, and it's certainly not going to run your entire business for you while you sleep. We definitely have to set realistic expectations here. But what it can do is dramatically speed up your writing, summarizing, and brainstorming. It completely understands context, and it can help you generate text, images, or code almost instantly.
Let's jump into Module 3, practical AI tools in action. Real tools for real daily tasks. Now that we know what it is, let's shift our focus from the theory over to the actual tool sets. This is exactly what we focus on in our hands-on workshops, really getting our hands dirty. At SEO International, we found that these specific tools are the absolute best for immediate personal productivity. ChatGPT and Claude, they are phenomenal for writing, editing, translating, and summarizing your daily emails or reports. When we need deep, comprehensive research, we turn to Google Gemini. Now, if you have massive documents, say a 100-page PDF, NotebookLM can analyze it and answer questions about it in seconds, literally seconds. And for content creation and daily scheduling, tools like HeyGen and Microsoft Copilot are total game changers. The best part? You don't need a technical background to use any of these, just a bit of curiosity. Now on to Module 4, frameworks for getting started, how to actually apply AI at work. Let's move to the next step and see how this all builds together. Because knowing the tools is really only half the battle. Adopting AI isn't about just logging into a website and staring blankly at a blinking cursor. It's a logical sequence of decisions. Step 1 is the problem-based approach. Look at your business and identify where the actual bottlenecks are. Step 2 is the use case approach. Map AI directly to your daily tasks based on your specific role. Are you in HR, marketing, sales? Just map the tool to the task. And finally, step 3 is the human-to-machine scale. This is where you decide exactly how much to automate and when human oversight is required. You don't automate the whole shebang, you automate the repetitive stuff so your human brain can focus on the big picture strategy.
And this brilliantly illustrates what happens when you put these frameworks into action. Take Sagi Helmi, for example, a business owner who took our course. After having some really bad experiences with agencies basically throwing money away, learning these simple frameworks gave her the confidence to take back total control over her SEO and ads. She pinpointed exactly why she wasn't seeing results, because we break everything down into easy-to-understand, implementable strategies. That right there is the true power of AI when applied practically. It just empowers you.
All right, Module 5, AI agents and the future. What's coming next?
So, we are rapidly moving beyond simple prompts where you just ask a question and get a single answer straight into the era of AI agents. Right now, in 2026, AI agents are already beginning to handle complex, multi-step tasks without you needing to hold their hand every step of the way. You give them a high-level goal, and the agent goes off and executes it. By 2027, we'll see this deeply integrated into pretty much all everyday business workflows. And looking ahead to 2028, we are talking about advanced autonomous problem-solving. In our workshops, I actually do live demos of things like Google Gemini Deep Research in action, just so you can see this agent behavior for yourself. But I also always stress this. As the AI gets more autonomous, responsible use, especially around data privacy and maintaining human accountability, becomes absolutely crucial. We always keep humans in the loop.
And finally, Module 6, your 30-day action plan. Taking the next step with SEO International.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is seeing the options available to you, because honestly, all this information is pretty much useless if you don't implement it. You need to set personal AI goals for your own career growth or your business's transformation. So, to help you build that specific plan, we offer the AI 101 workshop in a few really flexible formats. You can join us for an online session live over Google Meet for 550 dirhams. You can come join our interactive in-person classroom over at the JW Marriott Hotel in Dubai Marina for 850 dirhams. Or, and this one is incredibly popular, we offer in-house personalized sessions for up to 5 people at 2,850 dirhams. Whether you're in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Riyadh, or anywhere in the GCC, we customize the content, the schedule, and the format entirely around your team's specific industry and objectives. No generic templates here, just focused, practical skills that your team is going to use the very next morning.
So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. Are you ready to stop watching the AI revolution and start leading it? The tools are already here. The frameworks are remarkably simple. You don't need a tech background. You just need a plan. I really encourage you to build your own 30-day action plan, completely transform how you work, and empower yourself and your business. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I really hope to see you in a workshop soon.